So, last thing we have in our naming unit, nomenclature unit, is naming acids. So, an acid is HA. H for hydrogen, A for an anion, any negative ion. So, you have to look at the anion, part that's not hydrogen. So, the anion ended in IDE. You put hydro on the front of the name, change the ending to IC, and add the word acid. So this is for your monatomic anions. If your anion ended in ITE, you change the ending to OUS and add acid. If your anion ended in ATE, you change the ending to IC and add the word acid. In both of these, you'll recognize those endings as being ones from polyatomic ions. Now, if you have the name and you need to figure out the formula, you're going to treat it like an ionic compound. You're going to crisscross charges. So you're going to have to figure out from the name what the anion is. So phosphoric acid, ic had to come from the 8 polyatomic ion. So let's look at these, okay? NO3 is nitrate. So we change the AT to IC and add the word acid. Cl is chloride. So an IDE ending gets the hydro on the front. And the IDE changed to IC, and we add acid. SO4 is sulfate. The ATE ending gets changed to IC, but this one does have a little idiosyncrasy in it. We change from sulfate to sulfuric. So we still have that ATE changing to IC, but we bring back that UR syllable. So SO3 is sulfite. So we use the OUS ending and add the word acid. C2H3O2 is the acetate ion. So we change the ATE to IC and add the word acid. Br is bromide. So an IDE gets the hydro at the front, and the IDE changed to IC, and we add the word acid. NO2 is nitrite. We change the ITE to OUS and add the word acid. PO4 is phosphate. So we change the ATE to IC, but this one is also a little odd in that it brings back that syllable. S, sulfide. So we use the prefix hydro. So it's hydrosulfuric acid. CO3, carbonate ion. So we change it to IC. Whoa, that's not right. Carbonic acid. So when we have to write the formula from the acid, We always start with H+. Sulfuric came from sulfate. Got to know your polyatomic ions. Always start with H. Nitric acid means it came from the nitrate ion. Crisscross those charges. Hydrochloric acid starts with H. We just have chloride, so HCl. Acetic acid. H+ is our positive ion. Acetate is our negative ion. Left off an important subscript there. Hydrofluoric acid. So that's just fluoride. Phosphorus acid. Always H+ is our positive ion. Phosphite is PO3, 3-. So we get H3PO3. Carbonic acid, H+. CO3 2- because it's the carbonate ion. So we get H2CO3. Nitrous acid, H+ is always the positive ion. NO2- is the nitrite ion. So we get HNO2. Phosphoric acid. We've got the H+, and phosphoric comes from phosphate. So PO4 3-. So H3PO4. Hydrosulfuric acid, we start with H+. Hydrosulfuric means we just have the sulfide ion. Crisscross charges, H2